for red in Ndebele is bomvu. Try it with me. Bomvu. Okay, I'm going to let you convert that to it is red on your own. Go for it. Kubomvu. Did you get that right? Let's do it together. Kubomvu. Very good. Let's have an example of how to use the word bomvu in a sentence. We could say, Istulo sami singumbala obomvu. Try it with me. Istulo sami singumbala obomvu. That simply means my chair is red. Let's do yellow. I love the color yellow. The word for yellow in Ndebele is litanga. Say it with me. Litanga. Itanga is like a pumpkin, the inside of a pumpkin. So they're literally describing this thing as the color of the inside of a pumpkin. Litanga. So if I wanted to say it is yellow, I would say gulitanga. Gulitanga. Let's use yellow in a sentence. You could say imota lei ingumbala olithanga.